Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these all Swiffit women's tennis shoes. My wife and daughter absolutely love them. Let me tell you all about them. First of all, they are lightweight and comfortable. These are the gray, though they come in different colors. As you can see, they have on the bottom here, the sole is nice and rigid. It is a bendable sole with lots of treads. These are perfect for walking, going to the gym, working out, aerobics classes, spin classes, any sort of a thing where you want to go ahead and get out and get moving, these shoes are great. They are nice and soft in the back. They do have a little bit of a higher heel, but it's a padded all around the ankle. On the inside here, there is padding. There's a nice supportive foam in there as well. They are very, very breathable. I'm not sure if you can see all of the mesh there, but it is a very breathable, lightweight shoe. It almost feels like I'm not lifting anything at all. It is super lightweight. I'm actually a little freaked out at how lightweight it is. Like it's just that lightweight. But what that means is that your foot is not carrying that heavy weight and you're able to then move and do more things with it. They are comfortable. We've all had tennis shoes in the past that were heavy and chunky, and even though they might have looked great, they really weren't comfortable. You remember your foot sweat in them. Maybe it just wasn't something you wanted to work out in. These are not those shoes. They look great, but they're also very comfortable, very breathable, very stretchable. There's actually kind of a stretch factor to them. My wife doesn't like to lace up her shoes real tight when she wears them. She's done a couple quick walks with these. She just kind of just quickly ties them on, nice and loosey goosey, and she just goes. But you can see they really are very nice looking shoes. They are comfortable. Both my wife and daughter wear the same size. They have both tried them on, and they both agree they really like them. They think these are the shoes for them. I think my daughter's probably going to lose out on these. I think my wife wants them a little more. But you can see just the styling is just very, very nice. They are quality shoes. They look like they're going to hold up pretty well, but they're comfy and they're lightweight and they're breathable, and that's what counts. They are shoes that you will want to wear and not dread wearing. So they're highly recommended.